Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming that the phone is actually recording. Open the Quick Settings or Control Center and look for a red dot or microphone icon. If you see one, swipe to the app using the mic or screen recorder and pause it. This tells you exactly which process to stop. Once done, make sure you know your device model and OS version because the next steps depend on those details, and that prevents you from toggling the wrong option. Next, go into Settings to disable the active recording feature directly. Stop the screen recorder, end the voice memo, or switch off call recording in its menu. Then, open Privacy or App Permissions and revoke microphone access for any app that shouldn't record. This prevents background captures. If you need an immediate cutoff, enable airplane mode to sever network-triggered recording. But remember to re-enable connections when finished so notifications and important services resume properly. To finish, restart your phone to clear any lingering recording processes. A reboot often stops stubborn background tasks. After the device boots, recheck Quick Settings and App Permissions to verify the microphone is disabled where you intended. If recording still occurs, make sure your OS is up to date and then reset Privacy or App Permissions. Doing so usually fixes persistent issues. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip: identify the specific app capturing audio and uninstall or force.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.